Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be discussing about the ranges. So come on, let's start. So as we know, range is nothing but we will have a starting point, we will have a ending point, and between those numbers is nothing but the range. So in Swift we have different types of ranges, which is closed range, closed range, half open range, and one-sided range. So let us talk about the closed range first. So what I will show you, first I will code it and then I will try to explain it. For numbers in 1 ... 4. Now for is a loop. Okay, loop is nothing but it runs multiple times, and numbers is a variable which is of temporary, which means this numbers I can only access this numbers variable inside this curly brackets only. I cannot use this numbers here. Okay, I cannot access that numbers variable here. Okay, so in 1 ... 4, this triple dots is nothing but the range. What I am saying is from 1 to 4 print me the numbers. So numbers is nothing but first time in the loop numbers is 1, second time in the loop number is 2, third time number is 3, and fourth time number is 4. In closed range this 1 and this 4 are also included. So since it is a closed range, it contains all the numbers between 1 to 4, including the lower bound which is the 1 and the upper bound which is 4. Now let us talk about half open range. For let me comment out this so I can use that numbers again, or even if I didn't comment it out, I can use the numbers in 1 ... less than 4. Now if I try to print numbers again, I would like to comment out this because you can see the output here, it will get a bit confused. See 1 2 3, which means I want the lower bound but I don't want the upper bound. Okay, 4 less than 4, I want 1, I want 2, I want 3, but I don't want 4. So the numbers is first time 1, second time 2 and 3, and when it comes to 4 it will see that okay, it's less than 4, so I don't want it, so it will not print it. So this is called half open range. Now in one-sided range the elements are up to infinite in any one direction, which is minus negative or plus minus infinity or plus infinity. So I don't want to show it here because we won't be using it anywhere in the real world. So the only things that we used is closed range and half open range. So that's all for this video. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.